Hello there, friend! Welcome to the fire. Yep, I'm back. I know it's been a while, but as with most things, life happened. But I have returned with more stories to tell here by the fire. So, without further ado, there's a time and a place for everything, like when a player is trying to have a serious character moment. Yeah, that's not the time or a place for tomfoolery and shenanigans. Is it bad to joke around too much? r/RPG horror stories posted by emotional underscore memory 3230. I'm currently in a group with a lot of great players, but there's just one small problem that I'm not sure is actually a problem. And it's that there's one player in particular that doesn't take anything serious. Now, I like comical characters. I myself like to play lighthearted ones that have a slight tragic backstory that's revealed later. And my character's story recently got revealed. But this player, let's call them Paladin, couldn't seem to take it seriously. He kept cracking jokes the entire time and made comments that made it feel like he was making fun of my character. This was a pretty intense moment, as my character revealed that she was actually a reborn and her sister was seeking to kill her, believing her to be an undead husk and that she'd be putting her sister's soul to rest. Paladin started mocking my character by saying things like, "But you're alive, right? So then you're not undead, so she doesn't have a reason to kill you." As if them making this statement not only solved the dilemma, but it also felt like they were undermining the backstory that I had created, making it seem like my character's sister's actions were silly or dumb. And it almost felt like each time I revealed a piece of information, they were trying to find a joke about it or make a comment that made the moment feel less tense. The group is basically being followed by an assassin, which is my character's sister and has been targeting the group for months, and her identity had just been revealed. Now, the first joke the Paladin made was to give my character over to her because since she already died once, dying twice wouldn't be so bad. No matter what my character said, everything was being belittled and treated as a joke. It honestly made me start hating the backstory I had crafted because Paladin made me feel as if it was poorly constructed and that the situation was so simple. My character's sister didn't have to feel the way she did. I tried explaining that her sister was stricken with grief and the way they were raised led to these feelings. But this just made Paladin start mocking her family and cutting insults about them. By the end of it, I didn't even want to roleplay the scene anymore. I don't know if I should say anything about it because I'm not sure if it's a problem. They like jokey characters, and I can too at times. But I really wanted to have a serious moment here. So, like I said earlier, there's a time and a place for everything. Respect your fellow players when they are trying to have their moments. TTRPGs are cooperative games, so cooperate with each other. And to OP, if you need to take a moment and step back to talk to the problem player, do so. Like a simple, "Hey buddy, not right now, not cool." You gotta communicate as well. It could be done during a break or after the game. But you gotta say something. And if you don't want to directly confront the problem player, perhaps talk with the DM and have them mediate the issue because, yeah, the problem player is actively undermining your moment, and that's just not right. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. And would you kindly follow the socials posted in the description below. And as always, be good, be great, be awesome.